I'm going with you.
Hit!
I got you.
I'm moving up.
Someone just in between the two barrels, you see him, Liam? Right there, peeking. Hey, I'm moving up.
You're good. Mitchell.
Yeah. Are you hit?
No, I'm good. How adventurous are you feeling? Like enough to throw a grenade?
Sure. Where are we thinking?
Actually, here. You can use my rifle here for a second.
I'm trying to get it.
I'm hit.
I got you. Nothing's leaking.
Oh, it's just a CO2. Don't worry about it.
I can't see it.
All right, here. Pull out that grenade. Side. You good? Where's he at? 12? Oh.
See him?
Yeah. If you need to reload a mag, just be careful. Just single shots at a time. I'm gonna be right back. Mitchell, you're good to me. Good to me. gonna go bunker this kid.
I'm laying down, so.
Got it.
Dang it. Hit! Like
Thank God. That was gonna be so freaky. Alright. Hey. Push.
tried so hard. Alright, I'm out. Hey Nate, where'd you throw that? Right by my feet, where?
12 seconds later.
Oh, the base. Hey, you got better eyes than I do. All right. Hit.
Gotcha.
All right.
I kind of feel bad for this guy. He's been getting hit over and over.
Dude,
and
you're
over.
gonna keep getting hit in the head. I got a light machine gun guy on my left and the guy on my right.
Mitchell, can you hand me my gun?
Yeah, it's out of ammo.
All right.
Alright. Alright, walk off. You wanna go push?
It's not out of ammo.
Ow! Push, that hurts.
I got both of you.
Ow!
Here, here, here.
It hurts so bad.
Hit?
Yep. I'm gonna walk back a second. It's the LMG guy right in front. Yep. Okay. Alright. Yep.
Ah, yes! Someone threw a 10-foot bang on the
Mitchell, my man! The real MVP here.
I was just laying down, just touching you guys over and over and over.
Probably so confused.
I know. They were like, you just said you were hit. You came up and I didn't see you go back. I thought you were just standing there. I was like, guys, there's a guy right over there.
Who, me?
Yeah, I just think it was
Oh.
this guy over there.
We had a medic sitting at our feet and respawning us all the time.
Yeah.
I was just laying on the ground going,
And this kid
bud.
decided to huck my bee back. Had to spend a minute looking for it.
I was like, no, get it out of here.
I heard that hiss and I was like, oh god, I hope it goes off.